If your GMC Acadia is refusing to turn over, don't call the tow truck just yet. Statistically, nearly half of all no-start situations are caused by a failing battery or corroded terminals. Let's run through the diagnostic checklist to find exactly what is wrong. Start with the basics by checking battery voltage and ensuring your terminals are tight and clean. If you hear a single loud click when turning the key, your starter motor is likely the culprit. If the engine cranks normally but won't fire, you might have a fuel delivery problem. Simple electrical issues are great DIY projects, but fuel pumps usually require a professional shop. Repair costs vary wildly, from a simple battery swap to an expensive fuel pump replacement. If the basics look good, try tapping the starter or swapping relays to narrow down the fault. Keep these 3 tools in your Acadia to ensure you're never stranded by a simple fix. Remember to always use jack stands and disconnect the battery before performing any mechanical work. Check your battery first, and you'll likely have that Acadia back on the road in no time.